Kenneth, have you seen the movie Tron? Were you impressed by the high-tech suits and vehicles?
I'm not sure I like the idea of guys in spandex and bright lights. It kind of doesn't go, right? Yeah.
Alright. Well, Stumper Vasily has spotted a real-life Tron biker in Singapore.
He said, I was in a cab on the PIE when I saw this biker with blue lights all over his helmet, motorcycle suit and bike, just like in the movie Tron. We had a good laugh together with the cabbie.
Sounds fun indeed. And other Stompers thought so too.
Whoa, Ghost Rider, not bad at all, says Stomper. What am I doing here? Kiss It All Better added, oh my god, that is really cool.
Beyond being really cool and futuristic, Stompers who drive and ride said this equipment could actually be quite useful.
Said Stomper Liang Kiat Leong, I wish there were more of these on the road so that I can clearly see motorists at night. I get upset when they don't turn on their headlights when, at night or underground.
Kiss It All Better agrees it could help even if you're a pedestrian. At least, if someone hits me while I'm walking in a dark place, the person won't be able to say it's because he didn't see me.
Well, all this sounds really good, but Stomper Vasily said that this kind of LED equipment is actually illegal in Singapore.
Said the Stomper. It was a Malaysian registered bike. Not sure if it's illegal in Malaysia, but the cabbie told me it's illegal here.
According to Stomper Sean, the biker could be fined $50 for every single bulb, and that's quite a lot of bulbs.
That's expensive for a fine. Better avoid. I guess there are good reasons for it to be prohibited. Maybe it's because it's distracting or blinding.
That could be it, yes. Well, that's all we have for you this week, folks. For more, go to storm.com.sg.
See you guys next week.
Bye-bye.